Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today what I'm filming for you guys is something really fast. I just thought that it would be something kind of more in-depth as opposed to just seeing it really quickly in my other videos. So yeah, I just decided to do a more in-depth tutorial about how I fill in my eyebrows. And so if you guys are interested, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so just a couple things that I use here for my eyebrows. So the first thing is, of course, my eyebrow filler. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade. This one is the shade Ebony. And next is the brush. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush and it's number 7B. And I also sometimes use a concealer to kind of clean it up and perfect the brow. I don't do this on a daily basis, just if it's like more of a glam look or if you mess up and you just need to clean it up. And then I use a flat brush like this one if I do need to clean it up or touch up. And then I also just use a clear brow gel on top. Anastasia or whatever, they sell some at Walmart too. I have one. I don't even know the brand, but anyways, so first things first, I take my Anastasia brush and I just brush out the brow. And I actually usually go in with concealer first underneath the brow. I already have some on right now, but just to kind of create like a fresh base almost. Then I'm going in with my pomade. Now this eyebrow, my left eyebrow is fuller than my right eyebrow. So I just try to make them as even as possible. Again, like, you can only get so even, right? Sisters, not twins. Is that what they say? Anyway, so I got my product on my brush and so I start at the tail of the brow. I just feel like the tail kind of frames everything, I feel. So that's what I do. So I'll take the product. And just start doing like small strokes. The worst thing to do, and sometimes when you're in a rush, like it's hard because you just want to get those brows on and go, but just avoid kind of doing like one straight line to try to get it like perfect from the get-go, because it literally never works. So that's why small strokes is easier, and it also looks more natural because it mimics the actual like your real eyebrow hair. So yeah. So that's that. Yeah, this eyebrow is already pretty full, so it doesn't really need much, but that's how much I'll go in for that one. And then I'll take a little bit more product. Also, if you've never used the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade or you're new to it, just be aware because the product is super pigmented, so less is more. So then I go from underneath and just kind of create a crisp line. And then for the front of the brow, I usually just flip my brush. So as opposed to using the brush like this, I'll flip it that way and then use it that way for the front, and just kind of draw the hair upwards because that's the way that your natural hairs grow in that area. So it'll look the most natural. And there you go. One brow done, and there's the difference. What a difference. Oh my god. I do my eyebrows myself. I am not a professional, but just through so many different experiences, I never found somebody who did my eyebrows the way that I wanted, so I just started threading them myself. I used to wax, but I would always get like these little rashes. Even with threading, like sometimes I always somehow cut myself or whatever, but honestly my hairs grow back so fast that if I do mess up, I'm just like, oh well, at least I messed it up and not somebody else. So I'm actually not going to go in with the concealer underneath because I feel that I don't need to, but you can if you want to get like that crisp kind of Instagram brow or whatever. I'm just gonna do a little bit of highlighter underneath, and for that I'm using my Becca Champagne Pop. Ooh. Then I'm gonna go in with my eyebrow gel. It's just a clear brow gel. I got this from Shoppers or Walmart or whatever. And just set those hairs in place. And that's it. So let's move on to the next brow. This brow is always a challenge for me because my left eyebrow is, I guess, more perfect. Alright, so same idea here. I'm gonna go in with my pomade and just brush out the brow first. Alright, so, I mean, again, like, they're not gonna be 100% perfect, identical, but you can always get close enough. Alright, and that's the final result. Fresh, clean eyebrows. Honestly, one of the best feelings in the world. Alright guys, so that's it for this little eyebrow tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. It's very quick and easy, but I figured maybe some of you guys would want to see how I do my eyebrows. Yeah, so if you did like this video, please don't forget to like it and post a comment, share it if you want, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!